I fixed these two broken pieces by super glue plus baking soda. Looks good and strong. Watch my other video to know how to do it. Don't force if you're not able to pull it out this much. It's because the cable is attached. You may need to take off the radio. Three bulbs for background lighting. These are the same as dashboard lights. This is how to replace the bulb. Install all screws. Don't lose, don't mix, don't miss. Buy new and install easily. Don't lose it. Be careful. Don't break them. Pull off carefully. Remember to put all screws back. These are all the parts of this panel. Now you can see all the button light bulbs. This is a common issue. Usually bulbs are fine unless you are bad luck. Solder to fix. Cheap solder iron.
Lady, go!
Keep the gap in between. Solder from outside. Do the same to the other broken one. I bought another panel from Wrecker, but 3 buttons lights are not working. This is my first time doing solder and I fixed them all. I'm sure you can do it as well. It works. It's the same as the fan control light bulb. Easy replacement, but don't forget the condom. Maybe you can change to red, yellow, green, or Durex. Ready to install everything.